Crypto holders, 2 words, incoming. We got Bitcoin right now above $71,000, and altcoins right now as we speak are starting to fire up, showing some positive signs here. It is October 29th. It is 6:47 a.m. Let's get that right there for the timestamp. And it is Tuesday. As you can see, Bitcoin at $71,184, and it's looking like the blow off top is incoming. For the past 2 weeks now, if you're in the Discord, link is in the bio, come join the Discord. I've been saying imminent blow off top, incoming, incoming. You hear that? Blow off top. And right now, we have the signs showing. And if you watch those previous market updates there, join the Discord, watch those previous market updates, I was saying, and especially in this last video, blow off top canceled, nah. I had said that if we can close the weekly candle bodies above the 886 action here, then we're golden still. And that's exactly what we did. If we put a little box here, the bodies beautifully closed above that 786 action, was a concrete ceiling, now a concrete support, and we've got a nice bounce so far with 5 days and 14 hours left to go to close that weekly candle. If we close above 72K on the weekly candle at the end of this week, get ready, because November is going to be explosive. But let's take a look at the momentum right now. We have those same I'm like a broken record at this point, is we have these same things going on right now in present day October that we had last time in October of 2023. We had our pink getting above the blue on the weekly chart, our stock RSI through the 50 line, our TSI crossing up right above that 0 line and the MACD flipping green, as well as that RSI maintaining above that 50 line. As you can see, same thing, pink above the blue, stock RSI above the 50 line. We have the TSI crossing up right above that 0 line, just like last time. As you can see, the same exact level, and we have the MACD flipping green and the RSI above that 50 line. So like, we literally are doing a repeat. We're doing a repeat. And if we can maintain, this week above that 72K level, we could be in for an explosive November, a November to remember, that's for sure. If we pull down for any reason, nothing's changed. We got to hold the bodies of the candles at least above 64,824. For any scenario, right? If, let's say, there's an upset with the election, there's a catalyst that is a black swan. I do have a spooky Halloween type scenario that I'm going to show you right now. So as you can see here, I grabbed the fractal of like 2020 and I matched it up to where we're at now, and quite frankly, it looks eerily similar. And we would start rolling over around next week, which is the election, so that would be the catalyst or event to see this black swan type event play out. But it also could be a golden swan event, and we could see this inverse, and we could see a rip to the upside like crazy. But you need to have this on your radar as a potential scenario. If Bitcoin has an extreme rejection and we close below this trend line coming up, we close below that concrete support, then it would be resistance. We see that momentum start to curl over, then duck and run, because that scenario could be playing out. But that's for the worst case scenario. The best case scenario is we come up here, we close above at least, honestly, 74K with a weekly candle body close would be amazing. Our next targets would be around 81K, but really we'd come up to this box here around 91 to 99K. On the top end, we could see 143K, and in my opinion, it would be a stretch, but 277K out of Bitcoin. In my opinion, these seem reasonable, 91 to 99. I have a target of 113 to 130, but we'll have to see as price pans out if we can reach to there. Altcoins, if Bitcoin's going to do that, they're going to explode massively. So if we look at the daily chart, they're kind of lacking and kind of not showing as much strength as Bitcoin. But once we see the alt season pulse chart start to roll over, then we'll know altcoins are ready to gear up. But right now, not quite there yet. Bitcoin's going to move first. But looking at the pump dump chart for crypto, the total crypto market cap pump dump chart, when this chart goes down, cryptos go up. When this chart goes up, cryptos go down. As you can see, when we started melting down here, it was back around October, November of last year. We saw an extreme meltdown. Cryptos melted up. Ever since March, we started this uptrend, and we just broke this trend line. So we're in the early phases of a meltdown in this, and we could be in the early phases of an incoming blow off top. If you want my top 17 altcoin picks for free, link in the bio, go get that, as well as join the Discord. I'm keeping people updated in real time as price changes in the charts for Bitcoin, altcoins, etc.